Okay, so this is the Yeedi M16 Infinity floor cleaning robot. The boys are gonna unbox it today and we're gonna check it out. Ready?
Yeah.
What color do you think it is?
I think it's white because this is white.
Oh yeah.
I want it to be black. I want it to be red.
Sawyer wants a red robot vacuum.
There's a little bit of red on the
Bit
There's
of red.
a little bit of red. Red. There's a little red right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's all red. Oh, that's red, and that's red. So there's a little bit of red, but not really that much.
Can we see the bottom white?
Yeah. And the brushes are red. The brush is red.
Nice long roller mop.
Yeah, and this thing is red.
Oh yeah.
And I kind of like white. Yeah, I really love white. White. Ooh. Basic white. Oh. More extraction. Solution.
Oh good.
You got solution?
Love when they send solutions.
Yeah. Opening the solution. It's white. I will open the solution. Luckily, they sent solution.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hello, Remember? Oh, is there anything in here? I don't think so. Sure got it.
Good job, buddy.
If you buy a Yeedi or an Ecobass and you don't know where to start, just tell you.
Talks you through the whole startup process.
Yeah. And I'm a little clever man. Yeah. Yeah. We are going to. And then it's all you, buddy. Tommy.
You gonna put the robot in?
Oh wait, yeah, sir. Get the robot and put it in there. Does it do front or back? Back. The back part goes into here. Okay? Come on.
So that it can wash the mop.
Yeah. The mop goes right here.
Gotta straighten it out.
Straighten it out. Got this up. Got this up. Got the solution.
That's good.
That's good. You get a little bit on the ground. Other way, other way, other way. It's a little messy over there.
It's okay.
And there.
Good job, bud.
I'm Spidey face, right?
Gonna put water in it? Yep.
This one.
Yeah, grab it.
Pull that in. Hello.
You okay?
What I just wait?
Yep.
So it gets a little bit full.
Uh-huh, just a little bit.
That might be a little bit too. I wanted to go. It's really heavy.
Can you do it?